Today I'm making some Jamaican style Escovitch fish. First things first, I'm gonna wash the fish with some vinegar and lemon just to clean it up and get rid of some of that raw scent at first, right? Then I'm gonna slice into the fish to help the seasoning soak through. I'm using some fish seasoning, just keeping it nice and simple for you guys today. Drop that in the hot vegetable oil, guys, and as you can see, I put some scallion, some thyme and some garlic into the oil just to season up the oil to get that nice flavor. All right, then we're gonna fry this until it gets that beautiful golden brown color, yeah. And while the fish is frying, I'm gonna start with the Escovitch sauce. I'm gonna pour in some vinegar, then I'm gonna steam down the sliced onion, the carrots and the pimento seed, and a little piece of butter, but this is optional. It's my personal preference. Alright guys, so now I'm going to turn the fish and let it cook on the other side. You want both sides to be nice and crispy golden brown to be exact, alright? So back to the sauce again. I'm adding in some of the red onion, some yellow bell peppers, and of course a little bit of scotch bonnet for that spice. Then I'm gonna season it up with a pinch of salt, right? Not too much. Here I'm throwing in some roast breadfruit just to fry up with the fish. You can't go wrong with that combo, guys, trust me. And now it's time to plate up the crispy fried parrotfish, topped with that spicy tangy Escovitch sauce and some golden fried breadfruit on the side. What could go wrong? Leave a like on this video if you like this video. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, go ahead and hit that subscription button, guys, and I'll catch you in my next one, alright?